Eric with Radiator Grill Store here doing another install on our Z06, and looks like we've got a helper. This is Phoebe. We're going to be doing a front splitter lip from Extreme Online Store. Now, one thing is maybe a little controversial. Do you like the body painted front splitter, or do you like the new EOS front splitter? Please comment below and let's get into this. We're going to safely raise the front end of this vehicle to get underneath to get access to that front lip. We're going to be utilizing our rubber lifting pucks that we carry in the store. Make sure you stay away from that body work. These things are lifesavers. We always have these around. Let's get into it. We're going to be removing all of the T15 screws around the front lip. We're going to be removing all the T15 for this panel. There's also a 7mm back there. We're going to be removing this panel, and then this panel has a whole bunch of hidden 7mm screws in it, and we're going to be removing this panel as well to get access behind this front lip here to get the inner fasteners. Next, we have the 7mm all around the upper part of the splitter to remove. And then we also have these clips here. We'll be pushing at the top to depress this little tang. And then we're gonna be using a, actually, we do have these in the store, a little plastic trim tool, and we're gonna be pulling those out. So I believe there's 6 of those, and then we need to get to all of the 7mm that are all around the perimeter. Now that we removed all the 7mm screws that were up in here, and we also got rid of those, now that we removed all the 7mm from up on top here, we also removed the 6 clips as well. Those can be a little bit of a pain. We basically got to the top, pushed in the detent, and got underneath there with our trim tool here, which we do sell in the store, and we just wiggled them out. This made decent work of it. They were kind of a pain in the butt. But now that we've removed all that, we should be able to just slide this out. Like so. With the included hardware bag, we're going to mate these pieces together. Installation is just the reverse of removal. Make sure to tuck in the inner wheel well liners into the splitter at the ends before tightening it down. And here is the finished product. All in all, I'd have to say that this Extreme Online Store front splitter lip for the Z06 and E-Ray is great. It's a great finish. Everything's installed just like OEM. Everything fit real tight, and it looks great. So thumbs up. You can find these products and more at radiatorgrillstore.com. Little bonus. What do you think of the Amplify orange stripe on that? I think it really gives it some depth. It says this is where the spoiler ends and this is where the spoiler begins. It just kind of gives it something. It matches the rear and the sides as well. What do you think?